Hi, I am Nicole Makaramdam and today we are going to have a storytelling about energy resource and how to be responsible in the use of energy. The world needs energy ambassador to help save the planet's energy from outer space. The planet Earth looks like a big blue marble, but this marble is our home and just like homes around the world, it takes a lot of energy to run. So we have to take care of it and not waste its energy. We should be responsible and using it. Solar power means energy. Solar energy is used to generate electricity using solar panels. Unfortunately, things like solar panels require solar cells which need to be created from already existing materials like silicon, and those are not unlimited because of the solar energy usage isn't as high as it could be. The main source of energy around the world is oil. Most electricity, fuel, and everyday things like plastic came from the source. Oil comes from the underground. It is brought to the surface by pumps and pipes. The best known use for oil is gasoline. For cars, this is a fossil fuel, meaning it is a non-renewable resource of energy. Oil can be used in other mechanical processes. Coal is one of the major sources of energy in the world. It is usually mined from hillsides and mountains. Coal is a rock formed by millions of years of pressure and decaying organic material like plants and animals. That is why this rock is able to be burned, releasing its energy. It is also why we call coal as a fossil fuel. Coal is a non-renewable resource. We should always remember how to be responsible user. Natural gas is found in most of the world. The only place it's not found is in North Africa and Greenland. It often is located around coal or oil deposits in the world. Natural means that it is a gas formed by natural chemical processes in the earth. It is used for heating, cooking, and generating electricity. It is a non-renewable resource. Should always minimize the use of it so that the future generation will also use these natural gases. And this is a non-renewable resource. Wood is needed to make fire, the earliest known energy source in human history. Wood is heavily used to supply energy for cooking and heating. We will notice we are always using it at homes and in any other places. This fire that you can see came from wood. It is also used to power steam technology in a combination with water. Wood is a renewable resource because trees can be replaced, but we need to be careful in using woods because trees take years to grow. Wind power is a new source of energy that as old as the earth is very strong. Most wind power is converted to electricity by using giant machines called wind turbines. The ability to use this kind of energy for electricity production has only been developed recently because wind is a natural resource that never runs out. It is called a renewable resource. Water, the correct term for water power is hydropower. Hydro means water. Water power is one of the oldest known sources of energy in human history. Today, it is used to create electricity by using dams. It is a major source of energy and life for humans as drinking water because water is so plentiful and it is replenished every time it rains. It is a renewable resource. Nuclear energy uses power of the atom to create something very simple. Steam power when atoms are split. This generates an incredible amount of power that is used to superheat water, converting it into steam which is then used to create electricity. It is also generate waste that can be dangerous to human health. It is a non-renewable source of energy. Geothermal literally means heat from the earth. It is now tapped as a usable energy source. It is very efficient and does not hurt the environment. It is limited by its location. Geothermal sources occur in areas of the world that have volcanoes, so areas that aren't anywhere near these places can use geothermal energy. Let's recap the renewable resource is solar, wind, water, geothermal, wood, The non-renewable are coal, oil, natural gas, and nuclear. The best solution to prevent and avoid the runout and shortage of energy sources is to use a more responsible mix of renewable and non-renewable energy sources. Energy is not unlimited. Increasing the use of renewable energy like solar, geothermal, water, and wind power allow us to stabilize our energy use. If we can cut wasted use of energy by even 50%, all sources of energy will last longer, meaning our world will last longer too. Do not use energy unless needed. If we can encourage people around the world to think of the earth like the home, and people will pay attention to the responsible use of energy in their homes, we can make sure that our energy needs will be met for a long time.